Hello, my name's Claude Taylor, and welcome to my How-To Plumbing channel. To all my friends and subscribers, thanks for your support. And if you are new to my channel and you like the videos, give it a thumbs up and become a subscriber. Thank you. This video is a little different than what you guys been seeing me post. This is a commercial job. This is a job I was on. And the only opportunity that I had to videotape this is I had to come in right after lunch. I just took a short lunch and just came in here early and started videotaping. And it's not a lot to explain here. This is just what you would see at your basic uh, commercial job. This here is actually going to be a theater, and these are the public restrooms for that theater. And what you see on that wall there is all the cast iron pipe and copper that we've been running. And right here is where the toilets are going to sit. So when you see those toilets, you'll know what's behind that wall. And right here are where the urinals are going to sit. You can see the that's going to be two lav sinks. There'll be a countertop here. And of course, these are the hot and cold water lines coming down 1/2-inch copper to the sinks. I know a lot of my videos you see that I run PEX pipe, uh, and these are the urinal water lines. They're 1-inch. You see me running PEX pipe, but on commercial jobs they do run copper pipe. And the type of copper pipe they run is M, which is compared to, L. Compared to M, it's a lot thicker. And these are the water lines coming down to feed these toilets that will be sitting here. This is what you would call wall-hung toilets. The toilets will be hanging from the wall, and this is a 1.5 inch by 2-inch. This is the copper water line coming to feed just this restroom right here. If you have any questions that you'd like to answer, just leave some comments in the section below. And let me see if I can answer them for you. Now that same bathroom, they're starting to put drywall up. I'm just giving you kind of a before and after, what's behind the wall and what's going on once the wall is up. Now you can see the water lines are being insulated, or they have been insulated. Insulated and tagged so that if there's any service that needs to be done, the person coming in they'll know what's cold, what's hot. And as always, if you like, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, become one. I'm Claude Taylor, and thanks for watching.